What's happening, guys? I stopped over here at LEED Brakes to see some of the cool new products they have and talk to Bill about what goes on at LEED Brakes and why they have such awesome products. Now, having a fast hot rod is cool, but stopping is just important. And with some of the stuff you guys are doing with, turbo applications and that, vacuum is very important and you don't always have it. So LEED brings some cool stuff to the market to make sure you can stop really well. So how are you, Bill? How's your show going?
Good.
And what's going on with LEED Brakes?
Good. We're excited to be here, of course, back at SEMA again.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of exciting new products, and one of them is our electric vacuum pump. We've had this one out for quite some time now, and it's really hot in the market today.
Heck yeah, I can't wait to see it. And a vacuum pump is not just a vacuum pump, and I don't think a lot of people get that. You think loud, noisy, not very efficient, and you guys have really brought something revolutionary to the market that takes care of all those issues.
Absolutely. The ones that have been in the market forever are really loud, like you said, vibrate a lot, and it's the last thing you want to hear coming down the road. Right, you got this $100,000 street rod, and all you hear is this vibration coming down the road.
Yeah, no, that's not very enjoyable. So you guys came up with a solution to that, and I can't wait for you to show the people what it's all about.
Absolutely. So what we have here is our Bandit Series electric vacuum pump. It's a rotary vane style pump. It builds up to 25 inches of vacuum. Everything's self-contained and pre-wired. This is the piston style pump that's been out for a while that I mentioned before. And you can see, vibrates a lot, real noisy, slow to build up vacuum. With the Bandit Series electric vacuum pump, it's real quiet, builds up vacuum very fast. It's hidden inside of a really cool canister to make it look like a factory charcoal canister. And it's available in black, chrome, or naked pump by itself. And it's all pre-wired, super easy install.
That is awesome. Now, are these available at Summit Racing?
They are readily available.
So these are available at summitracing.com or one of our 4 retail locations. And if you're not sure what you want or have some questions, you can call into our customer service line, and the awesome people over there will get you taken care of and get one of these sweet vacuum cans on the way to your door. Now, you guys have some other cool stuff at the show, so let's move around your booth and check that stuff out.
Absolutely. So we have a lot of new products that we're coming out with, some aluminum calipers. We also have a manual transmission power brake booster for the 1965 to 66 Mustangs.
That's awesome. You guys are filling a big gap there, and I'm sure a lot of Mustang guys are really going to appreciate that.
Yeah, absolutely. And it makes it real simple to install. They can reuse their factory clutch mechanism, so they don't have to go to a cable style clutch. They can keep that originality, and it's a direct bolt-on system, and it'll work with any aftermarket disc brake systems.
Yeah. Well, let's step over there and take a look at that thing.
Perfect. Let's go.
Man, you guys have quite the table of stuff here. So let's check out this new Mustang Power Booster. I'm really excited to learn about it.
Yeah, so this is our 1964 and a half to 1966 Ford Mustang Power Brake Booster for manual transmission cars. It sits up a little bit higher so that it clears the factory clutch linkage. And the kit includes the booster, the master cylinder, pre-bent brake lines for an easy installation, your adjustable proportion valve, all your mounting plates, and your brake push rod. This kit's designed to work with just about any aftermarket disc brake conversion kit, and it'll clear the factory bolt-on export braces as well. So there's no modifications that are needed.
That is awesome that you guys made this as simple as possible for the Mustang guys, and you don't got to go through all the hassle of, going to a hydraulic clutch conversion and doing there's a lot of headache that comes with that, and you guys really kind of took the guesswork out of it, and said, I'm sure a lot of people will appreciate that. So these are available now, correct?
Absolutely, yep.
That's super awesome. I'm sure there's a bunch of Mustang dudes that are just dying to get their hands on these. Sure. Now, you guys showed up to the show with a couple new products, and we can't wait to show the world there, and I'm ready to learn about them. So you want to head over there and look at that stuff?
Yeah, let's go. I'm excited.
Heck yeah. So you guys have a whole nother table of products over here, and you guys brought some new stuff to the market. You want to run us through it?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of our latest products is a 4-piston aluminum caliper for the 1964 to 1973 Ford Mustangs. It's a drop-in replacement for the factory 4-piston caliper. It's made of lightweight aluminum. It's our Max Grip Light 4-piston caliper. It uses factory pads, fits on the factory brackets, and it'll fit in all the factory wheels.
Man, that is absolutely awesome. So you're not, going around looking for parts everywhere. You can go right to your local parts house like Summit Racing and grab everything you need.
Exactly.
Now, what else do you guys have?
So we got a lot of new products for C10. So this rear disc brake conversion kit will fit 1963 to 91 on the C10s, and we have it available for 5-lug and 6-lug applications. So 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive.
Taking care of the 4-wheel drive guys
absolutely,
too. I absolutely love that.
We can't forget about them. And then right here, we have our C10 power brake booster. So this one will fit 1973 to 1987. It's a direct bolt-on to the factory firewall. gives you a smaller booster for the guys that are really slamming those trucks down and putting the wheel tubs in. This will give them clearance for that, and it'll clear all the LS motors.
Man, that's awesome, especially them guys are doing big block swaps and stuff like that.
Yep.
You know, room is of it. Even though those trucks, you know, you can sit inside the engine bay, by the time you shove a bunch of stuff in there, there's not a lot. There's a lot going on, and it gets a little tight.
It does.
Making stuff smaller and more compact is really awesome. Now, when is this stuff going to be available? Is it available now?
Yeah, so the rear disc brake kit will be available in December. The Mustang caliper kit will also be available in December, and the booster kits will be available in January.
I've really had a great time, Bill, you showing me around the booth and all the cool new products that LEED Brakes bringing to the market. I can't wait to get some of this stuff for my own stuff.
Awesome, yeah, same here, and if you have any questions?
Yeah, like I said, head over to summitracing.com or call into our customer service number. Until next time, we'll see you guys later, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thanks, you too.